Welcome to the English virtual classes. Today we will start with Unit 3 Regard for Values lesson Krishna and Sudama. It is an interesting story based on true friendship. Now listen it carefully. Krishna and Sudama were best friends during their days at Gurukul. When they grew up, Krishna became the king of Dwarka while Sudama remained poor. Sudama married a noble but poor lady and they had many children. The family had to starve because often there was no food at home. Sudama's wife always suggested to him to go to Krishna because Krishna was a great king and he had plenty of money. She thought that he would surely help them. In the beginning, Sudama was unwilling to go to Krishna, but hard times continued and he had to agree. Sudama was very poor, so before leaving, he said to his wife, I am going to meet my friend. How can I go empty handed? I should take some offering or gift for him. Sudama's wife gave him a little puffed rice in a small bundle. Sudama reached Dwarka after walking for many days. He looked shabby in his dirty and tattered clothes. He was tired and his feet were sore. He was looking shabby and unfit to meet a king. Krishna had become a king and Sudama was not sure whether he would like to meet his poor old friend. At one point of time, he even decided to turn back. But the thought of his starving children gave him courage and he sent a message to Krishna. Even though Krishna was the king, he came out himself to receive and welcome his old friend Sudama. Krishna hugged Sudama lovingly and took him inside the palace and washed his feet. Krishna's wife Rukmini also welcomed him warmly. They served him a sumptuous, means delicious meal to eat. Sudama felt ashamed of the puffed rice he had brought for Krishna. But Krishna saw the bundle, snatched it from Sudama and ate the rice with great relish. Sudama stayed with Krishna for a long time, but not even once did Sudama ask for any help. Finally, he took leave of Krishna and left Dwarka. When Sudama reached his village, he was surprised to see a beautiful house at the place of his hut. And his wife came out to receive him wearing beautiful clothes and jewelry. She told Sudama that Krishna might have helped him to get rid of the poverty and concern. Sudama's heart filled with gratitude and tears rolled down his eyes. Thus, it is said that friendship doesn't believe in rich and poor, it only seeks love and respect. Now, this is all about the story Krishna and Sudama. I hope you enjoyed the story very much. Today, your homework is read lesson Krishna and Sudama. Thank you and have a nice day.